What if you could create Mr. Beast style thumbnail in minutes without Photoshop, without paying anyone, and without design experience? In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do it for free, and I will also show you how to generate thumbnail ideas straight from your own video script. So first decide which creator thumbnail style you want to replicate. Go to that YouTube video and download the thumbnail image. You can use any online thumbnail downloader. For example, if you want to create a thumbnail in the style of Mr. Beast, I will download one of his thumbnail as a reference. This will actually as a visual structure guide. Now open Google Chrome and search for ideogram.com. Create a free account and sign in. Ideogram allow you to generate high quality images completely for free. Once you inside Ideogram, upload the reference thumbnail, that one you downloaded, and also upload your own photo. Paste the prompt provided in the description. Click generate. Within a second, Ideogram will generate 4 thumbnail variations. Choose the one that looks strongest and download it. If you want to add text to your thumbnail, simply modify your prompt. Add a line like add bold text at the top that say put your text here, whatever you want, then click to generate again. Ideogram will create version with the text integrated into the design. Download the best one. Now let's talk about thumbnail ideas. Creating the image is easy, but where do you get strong thumbnail ideas from? Here is how to do that. So go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt provided in the description, then upload your full video script. ChatGPT will generate multiple thumbnail concept ideas based on your content. Copy the thumbnail idea you like most. Then inside ChatGPT, paste that idea and select on create image and then click generate. ChatGPT will provide multiple thumbnail options. Choose the best one and download it. That's how you create professional thumbnail for free. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more AI tools and creator workflow.